India ge awang nongpok lamdamda tapna fibam fagalakli haina India ge Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi na phongdokhre News Agency de ki fangba paugi matung ina Manipur-gi hojik oiriba fibam gi matangda General Upendra Dwivedi na phongdokhibada Security Force amadi laingak na paikhalakpa thabak thorom kayana hana leiramba singnaba kaya laksinba ngamle Adumoinamak Togdok Watok Khara Thokpadi Lady Haiki, Manipurda, Mausagi Fibam Hanjinanaba hotnari Hairaduna, Tongan ba, NGO, Amadi, Army, Battalion Singna, Community Leader Kayaga Unaduna, Fibam Fagat Hananaba, hotnari, Indo Myanmar Ngakhei-da Matang da Paladuna, Mahakna Haiki Bada, ngakhei-da meetop changba thingnba marilainaba authority na hanadagi amuka hena jacksina mathau tauri haina phongdorakli, Miyamgi yaifanabagi matang da Paladuna, Maman-gi chahina. Para oiraga Army na maru oina quick reaction team amadi quick reaction medical team hena mapangal kangkhatnanaba lupa crore taragataret kaithokle haina phongdorakli.
As far as the lack of coordination is concerned which you have brought out, I just wish to assure you there is absolutely no lack of coordination, but we have to understand that which side is where. When this problem occurred in May 2023, the police from various communities, it was very difficult for them to go to the different community area. So thereafter the DGP had issued the orders that you go to the nearest police station to whichever community you belong to, so that at least you take on those duties. So once you take on those duties, you will find that Indian Army, Assam Rifles and the other CAPFs, we have to coordinate with those people in whichever area they are. So it's not a lack of coordination. Rather, these three agencies are the only one which are able to provide the coordination as of today. External dimensions cannot be ruled out. It's all over the media. So I'll just leave it at that. Now what happens as far as the Myanmar side is concerned? Since there is some activities taking place on the Myanmar side, and it is claimed that the rebel groups are fighting with the Myanmar army or the Tatmadaw. As a result, there is a migration which is taking place, or the influx of refugees which is taking place. We have made sure that all those who are coming here should be treated as refugees, and due respect and consideration and harbour should be provided to them.